We will discuss the phase relation between alternating voltage and alternating current provided the circuit containing the two component capacitor and resistor. So, this is the simple circuit. This is the capacitor of capacitance C and this is the resistor of resistance R. Both are connected in series across this AC source. So, due to the series arrangement, current will be same with both the component capacitor as well as resistor, with the potential drop Vc across capacitor and Vr across resistor. The fundamental concept already we know, that is the Vr and I are always in same phase and the potential across capacitor always lags I by a phase angle of pi by 2. So, using these two concepts, we will plot the phase diagram for CR circuit. So, in this quadrant system, along x axis, the OB vector representing VR and OA vector representing I, and both are in the same phase. The potential across capacitor, it is always lags behind current by a phase difference of pi by 2. So, now it is very clear from the diagram Vc, Vr and I are the co-initial vector starting from the common point O. So, to find the resultant of Vc and Vr, we will use the law of parallelogram. So, in the parallelogram OBDC, the diagonal OD will represent the effective potential drop across C and R, capacitor and resistor, and we find very clearly this net potential drop always lags behind current by phi. So, now mathematically we will find out the effective resistance, that is the impedance of the LR circuit and phase difference with the help of this phase diagram. So, in the phase diagram, in right angle triangle OBD, you will say using Pythagoras theorem, OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. Now, if you put the value, then OD is equal to Vc, that is VCR square, VR square plus Vc square. And now using Ohm's law, in the right side you can write VCR is equal to root of VR square is equal to I square R square, Vc square is equal to I square Xc square. Xc is the capacitive reactance. So, now I square is common in both the term. So, out of the root it will be simply I, then VCR is equal to I root of R square plus Xc square. The bracketed term is the combined resistance of both the component capacitor and resistor, and this is known as impedance of CR circuit. The expression for impedance of CR circuit will be ZCR is equal to root of R square plus 1 by omega square C square, because Xc is equal to 1 by omega C. Now, if you put this value, now we have VCR is equal to I into ZCR. This is similar to the Ohm's law, that is V is equal to I into R. So, ZCR is the total impedance of CR circuit. From the same phase diagram, if you want to find out what the expression for phase difference, then we will use the same triangle OBD. So, in right angle triangle OBD, tan phi is equal to BD upon OB, and BD is VC and OB is VR. So, this is VC by VR. Formula using Ohm's law already we know, tan phi is equal to IC, IXC upon I into R. I cancel out, these two terms will cancel out, then simply we have tan phi is equal to Xc by R, or if you put the value of inductive capacitive reactance, it will be 1 by omega C by R. So, final expression phi is equal to tan inverse 1 by omega C by R. So, with the help of these expression, we can find out what the impedance of CR circuit, number 1, number 2, what the phase difference between voltage and current, and number 3, very important, that is the net potential always lags behind current by phase difference phi in CR circuit.